Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'll guide you how to install Ubuntu in your Windows machine. First of all, go to any browser and search Ubuntu. Okay, and scroll down a little bit and click on this Get Ubuntu and click on Desktop. And you can see Ubuntu latest version 2.24.04 LTS. And before download, you have some system requirements. You have 20 gigahertz dual core processor or better, and you must use system memory 4 GB or greater, and minimum 25 GB free in your hard drive. Okay, and you can install it USB port. Okay, optional. Now click on download, and after clicking this it will automatically start downloading. And you can see I have already downloaded, so I will stop it. Now next process is how to install in VirtualBox. Open VirtualBox. And how to active VirtualBox, you have already find many videos in YouTube, so watch it. Now click on this new and type Ubuntu. Okay, now if you have not enough space, then change it. I have not enough space in C drive, so I will change the location. I will change the location to this folder where I have already created. Then type is Linux and version is Ubuntu 64-bit. Okay, then click on next. Okay, it will showing. I'll change name Ubuntu machine. Okay, now click on next. Then you can choose any of your base memory as required to better performance. I will choose 3830. And for CPU, if you have greater than 4 CPU, then you can automatically expand. In my case, I will not expand. Okay, then click on next. And for hard disks, I will minimum 30 GB. You minimum 30 GB allocated. Okay, I will allocate to 50 GB. Okay, and others are by default, no need to change. And click on next. And this is your machine summary. And click on finish. Okay, now click on settings. Now click on advanced. Now in shared clipboard, it will be bidirectional to get input from your host. Okay, and then type will be Linux, and it will be Ubuntu 64-bit. Okay, now go to system. Processor will be by default this, no need to change. And display, and you can your video memory. Okay, now expand it till I have expand 102 MB. Then click on storage. In storage, you have you can see this is empty, so just click on this for disk folder and click on create virtual optical disk and click on add. Now choose where you download your ISO file. I have downloaded in E drive, so go to this E drive. Okay, E drive. Yes, this Ubuntu ISO, and select it and click on create. Now refresh. Now you can see it had added. Now select this Ubuntu and click on choose. Now click on OK. OK. Now click on start button and click any of space. Then click on this checkbox and click on capture and maximize it. And you can see it will take few minutes. It depends in your internet speed. Okay, so wait for. If you're facing any type of error to install this, you just have reset your VirtualBox. You face any kind of error, preparing. Okay, okay. Now select your language. Click on next. Now click on next. All are by default. And select. Click on next. Click on next. And click on interactive installation. And click on default selection. And now in this case, all this checkbox. Click on this checkbox and click on next. Now click on erase disks. Click on next. And now create your account. Okay. I type anything. See. Okay. Password. Okay. Then click on next and choose your location. Click on next. And here is the review your choice. Click on install. And all file now copies. Wait for few minutes. Now it's done. Now click on restart. Now press enter. Oh, it's wrong. Okay. Okay. Now enter your password, username, and login. Press enter. You can see it's downloaded. Only successfully installed. Now go to terminal. Okay. Where is terminal? Okay, click on select on this and search. You can see this terminal. Open it. Click on it. After click it, it will open. Okay. Now I have update sudo apt update and it will take couple of seconds to update. Okay, you can see updated successfully. Now close it. Okay, today's video is for that. If you're facing any kind of error, comment us. Still then, tata, bye bye.